Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to open your eBay app. Make sure you're logged into your eBay app. There you can see the option of My eBay at the bottom. Scroll down and search for setting option and click on it. There you can see the personal information. Tap on it. There they might ask you to enter your credential. Do it. There you can see the option of username, email, phone number. Tap on the email. There, then enter a new email address. Then tap to save email. They might ask you for a verification. Do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.